Howdy, Tractor Boy 420 here. Just found a combine for you. It's Case International 2588. Brand new to this farm. He's still coming up the row, so it's probably going to be a little while. Running a 6-row head from his old 2144 Case International axle flow. And this field is yielding pretty nicely. I mean, pretty damn nicely, to tell you the truth. He literally starts to crown at the top there before he's up this second row. So, yeah, he's doing pretty good. Still coming up the row. He's booking in this field. I tell you what, he is moving. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the corn going into the head pretty damn fast. You can see he's already starting to crown there at the top. He's yielding good. Here comes up the row. I have a feeling he won't be able to make it all the way up because he's getting really full. So, I'm not sure. He might stop right there, might keep coming. I'm not sure what he's doing. I think he's doing the whole row. Alright. Looks like he couldn't quite cut it, so a friend of mine just came up. He had to stop halfway down the row. He's filling up too fast, yielding greatly. So that's just 2588. Filling. Coming gun load pretty soon.
This camera. Yeah. Cybershot. Sony is pretty damn nice.
Yeah, here he comes up the row. Yeah, I'm talking a lot because I'm weird. I don't know if you can hear it, but that Cummins turbo diesel sounds great.
Back. Back.
And there he is coming up the row. 2588.
Back.
I don't know what he thinks about me filming him, but we'll soon find out. In a bit.
How old's that camera?
Yeah, you do.
How long does it record?
Oh, really long time. Yeah. So he's just finished unloading. Imagine he'll be coming up here in a second. Here he comes. Yeah, I know. Well, folks, that's about as much battery life as I've got left, so, see you later, guys. Please subscribe. Yeah. I can feel the ground shake beneath my feet. Well, not really. But here comes the red combine. This is scary as hell. The last row of the field. That's my friend. What do you want your name to be on YouTube?
Microsoft hater.
MacBook hater here next to me.
Dude, you know we very grew up in an animal's house. Cold and heartless they are.
You should be leaving one row. I think he's leaving one row of corn for the animals.
One or two?
One. Literally one row. I'm not sure. And there's 5 rows left. He's got 6 row heads. He's got to be leaving one. Yeah, he's leaving one. What a bag. Can't say it on YouTube. Crap. And that's it. And he's on his phone.
One little row.
And that was it. Oh, no, he's taking that row too. What an incompetent jerk. Get off your phone and drive. It's probably his father talking to him. And folks, that's pretty much it for this field. I'll catch the unload. The final offload of a very nicely yielding field. Well, guess what, guys? Dead battery, so I'm gonna leave you with this. See you later, guys. Have a good corn harvest. Freshly harvested. Looks good. Looks good. Is that a combine I hear? I'm not sure. Must be. You can hear that drag belt really hauling ass. Oh. And so ends a good harvest.